velvet clouds meet iron skies. I walk the path we never tread, with whispered words left all unsaid. The lantern light is burning low for places where we'll never go. A map of stars that drift apart within the chambers of my heart. Oh, the life we never had, in the colors soft and sad, like a melody of rain, rising high above the plain. We are echoes in the wind, where the story should have been lost within the silver sea of all the things we'll never be. The morning frost upon the glass watches all the shadows pass. A quiet room, a vacant chair, a scent of jasmine in the air. I hold the ghost of your soft hand across the borders of this land, where time stands still in golden light to breathe.